Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Journey Diaries with Ashish. If you want to learn English with us, you can learn here in a very easy way because uh, I make English blog and I make travel blog. So wherever I go, I capture the moment and I show them. So that's why it's very easy for you to learn English. So right now we are in our field area. You can see this is the Gawar field or this is the millet field. Let me explain first. In Rajasthan, in rainy season, mostly crop depends on rain. So that's why especially like you can't see this type of crop in other state. You can see in Rajasthan only. So that's why you heard about bajra. I don't know. You might have heard about bajra. So this is bajra millet or this is gawar. Gawar, I don't know what we will call in English. So we use it in medicine purpose or for vegetable purpose. So it's very expensive, by the way. Its seeds are very expensive. Okay, this is once guys my younger brother. So now we are going in our field area. So this is the ordinary or normal gate. So we have to unlock our gate from like that, from this side, or here we have to take precaution because it's rainy time or it's darkness little, it's evening time. So it's not sure that here it could be any insect or any snake or anything. So that's why we have to take little precaution. Now he's coming uh, from outside to inside. Now he's inside. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is the pet dog, but this is not our dog. I don't know what he is doing. Maybe he's our neighboring house dog. This is khejdi. This type of plant, this type of tree, you will see only in Rajasthan because they totally depend on water in rainy season, or they don't need much water. So that's why they can survive here in Rajasthan. Because Rajasthan is a state where you will see very less rain compared to the other state. Now you can see the dog is running because he's scaring. Sorry, dog is running because it is scaring from us because we are the unknown person for it. So guys, it's darkness. This side you can see a little movement of the sunset. This is my brother once, and now we have to go this side because we have a very small temple there. We will make it bigger, but this is very small. So let me tell you why we go there. Because it's our ritual in Rajasthan. We go on daily basis there. We have worship, and so that's why we go there. And it's very dark right now. Now we are going to enter in the dense field. Dense means ghana. So this is millet plant, bajra ka plant. So guys, on the upper side you can see here it has started to come some seeds on this top of the part. After 10 to 15 days you will see the millet seeds inside this portion. So that's how after the cultivation we will get the seeds of millet. Right now I don't know, it's darkness. Where is my brother? I'm just trying to figure out where he could be. So I don't know the proper way. It's like bulbulia right now for me because it's been 4 to 5 months I'm coming in my field, or I have been working outside from the last 4 years. so it's little hard for me to find out everything. So that's why let's see where he could be, or where is the actual path from where I can go. I don't know where he is right now. Maybe he has reached towards the temple site. We have a very small temple in our field. So right now it's very dark, guys. You can see it's very scary because I don't know. It is not sure that any insect or any snake might be on the earth right now, because in rainy season or especially at the night time, snakes or all the insects come outside from the bill, all of things. So that's why I'm just trying to figure out the path. Yeah, finally I have reached, and now okay, let me show you. This is our small temple. This is our Bhairuji temple. It's a ritual in our Rajasthan. You will see in Rajasthan there are many Bhairuji temples. So we have a very small temple in our field. We will make it bigger. This is the khejuri tree. Let me call to my brother. Babu! Babu! Guys, I'm sure that he's playing with me right now. He's playing with me hide and seek. So he's thinking my bro will scare, and he will try to figure out where am I right now. But I'm not doing anything. First, let me do worship. After that, I will find out. So my little champ right now, he's doing worship. Guys, you can see he's doing diyabati and agarbati here in Bhairuji temple. After that, we have a raw temple, Hanumanji temple, from like 50 meter from this location. We recently made the borewell in our field. So it's a ritual. So whenever you are going to make any borewell, so after that you have to make Balaji or Hanumanji temple. So that's why we made a like a stone temple, पत्थर का जो भी भगवान हमने बनाया है. But after that we will make it bigger. Here you can see we use this ball, pot ball, for the birds, so that in a, in Rajasthan in summer season they can come here, or they can, if they are feeling thirsty, so they can drink water from this pot, from this bowl. So that's how my little champ is going that side for the temple. So let me go this side. Where is my slippers? This is my slipper, guys. It's very hard here. We have to clear the field from that side because we don't have any way so that we can go towards the main way. We have to, it's a specialty of this crop. When you will going to cross, so it is going to touch to your body. After that you feel irritation or you feel itching in your body, so you have to take the bath after that. Otherwise it's very hard for you to survive or to spend your time, because right now you can see it's not visible, I think, in the camera. Little how to say, like a stain or little particles of this on my skin, or they are doing irritation. Right now I can hear the whispering sound. I am definitely, this is the temple side. He did the worship. After that he ran because he's very younger, or he wants to play with me hide and seek. So that's why. Oh my god, I found it. So guys, you can see it's looking like very scary right now. So this is our little champ. and we have a very small Hanumanji temple here. So now it's very hard to walk here without any light, so that's why we are using the mobile torch. And now we have to cross the millet crop, guys. After 2 months, when जब ये पक जाएगी, so after 2 months when it is rip one, after that we are going to cultivate this millet field, guys. We will clear all the field area. After that, in the winter season, we will use this field for
You can see
wheat,
the different type
mustard,
of vegetable.
or Joe. So there are many. Here he's playing with little vegetables here. In Rajasthan, here we usually call it kachra, you can see. And in our field area, you can see there are many houses. Our house is little far from this location, 500 meter almost. So we come here with the help of bicycle. I ride the bicycle, and the bicycle is very small because he's the owner of that bicycle, so that's why. But when we come here, so that time
I
I
was driving the bicycle.
ride, but right now he's saying, bro,
I will drive.
I will drive, because but I didn't get chance him. I thought maybe, oh my god, it's very scary, because I or he heard the whispering sound. So maybe in our field, maybe snake or something. Maybe you can hear or no, I don't know. But we have to change our way. We are going from that side because it is not safe to go from that side. So that's why at this time it's very hard to walk. So that's why, guys, I want to say farmer's life is not easy, because in this field he have to do everything. Okay, he have to do the cultivation in summer season. Okay, he have to work in sweat. In winter season he have to work in a very cold environment. So it's not easy for the farmer. It's easy for us, like, okay, in the morning time we can go in our office time. Okay, we have burden, we have work burden, but it's not like we are working in a very bad climate, or it's not suitable for us. Again, here you can see on this khejdi tree, guys, there are many birds. So when we come this side, they flown from this tree. So guys, it's very hard at this time, as soon as we have to go from this location. So my little champ, he ran away from here because he's more familiar, I'm not. So that's why he went. So now again, the view is very nice here. Moon, it's looking very gorgeous. Here the background, you can hear some songs, guys. They are the religious song at this time, 7 o'clock, 7:30. Usually in village area, not in village, everywhere you will see this type of songs, because in village area people believes in religion, or they are more devotees, so that's why. Now here you can hear the dog barking voice. So I don't know why he's doing right now, why he's doing, what happened to him. Now we are walking in the grass area, guys. So again we came towards the main path. Now this is our bicycle. So right now my brother is going to ride. It's a habit of the dog. Sometimes when they see some unusual activity. So that time they bark. So I think uh, he right now it tied with the tree. So that's why we all are safe. So now we have to lock again this gate, normal gate in our field area. After that, okay, I have done. No, guys, it's loose right now. I have to done again. Okay, I have done. Now this is our bicycle. Now I'm gonna sit to the back side. And now let's see my little champ is going to ride well or not. In the starting, cycle is not riding in a proper way because it needs some force, but okay, he's more experienced person, so that's why he can do in a very good way because he ride this bicycle on daily basis. So that's why. So guys, now we are heading towards our home, and when we will go home then we have to take the bath because right now some what I was saying, yeah, some particles of the millet that stitch with my body. So that's why again this is not main road but it's like local, so that's why there are many vehicles they are coming from that side. You can see still my little champ is riding a bicycle in a very good way. Okay guys, what is this? I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you very interesting thing in Rajasthan. This is the auto of Rajasthan. You can't see this type of auto. It haven't captured properly in my camera, but you can't see this type of auto everywhere. You can see in some specific design like in Shekhawati only in Rajasthan. So that's why it's a very cultural movement for us that okay, we are using this type of auto still. It still exists in our Junjunu district. So okay guys, then it's time to close our vlog. Let's learn English with me. Bye bye, take care of you, good night.